Hello dear students. Our today's topic is synthesis of carbamazepine. This compound belongs to the therapeutic category of anticonvulsant drugs. This is the structure for carbamazepine. This is the numbering system here. The numbering starts with this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This nitrogen has number 5. Then 6, 7, 8 and 9 on this benzene ring, and the 10th and 11th position on the central ring. The IUPAC name of this compound is, you can view here that the carbamazepine is the example of fused ring system where two or more rings fused with each other. So according to fused ring system, we have to identify the attached component and we have to identify the basic component. The basic component here is this 7-membered azepine ring, and the attached components are two benzene rings. So according to fused ring system, the nomenclature will become dibenzo because two benzene rings are attached and they are attached on the azepine ring, so it is called as dibenzoazepine. On position number 5 we have CONH2 group, which is called as carboxamide, and it is our functional group amide. So the IUPAC name of this compound will become dibenzoazepine 5-carboxamide. Now both the benzene rings are attached with side number B and side number F of the central azepine ring. That's why the name will become dibenzo BF azepine 5-carboxamide. Now initially, if we look at the dibenzoazepine ring, if this CONH2 group is not there, that means here is presence of one hydrogen. So we have to include its name, so it will become 5H, then dibenzo, then the symbols for the side B and F, the name of the central ring azepine, then the name of the substituent present at position number 5. In this case it is functional group 5-carboxamide. Next, move on to the mechanism of action. Carbamazepine is a potential sodium channel blocker. That means it blocks the voltage gated sodium channels in their inactive conformation. Now this inhibition of sodium channels inhibit the firing of action potential taking place inside the neurons. Thus, due to this mechanism of action, carbamazepine is used in treatment of epilepsy and schizophrenia. Next, move on to our next and important part, that is synthesis of this compound. The synthesis starts with the starting material, this one. If we consider only this portion, it will become aniline. This is position number 1 and this is position number 2. On position number 2 we have this substituent which is called as styrene. And on styrene, this is position number 1 and this is position number 2. That means this position will become the ortho position. So we may say it as 2-orthoaminostyryl, then the name of the basic nucleus aniline. So this aniline derivative undergoes cyclization by release of one ammonia molecule. One of the hydrogen on this amino group may combine with another amino group to form the ammonia, which is liberated out from here, and thus we have a bond between this carbon and this nitrogen. So this gives us the cyclized product. In this case it is dibenzoazepine ring. This dibenzoazepine ring is then treated with phosgene in presence of sodium amide. Now this is very important reaction because the amino group of the dibenzoazepine is very weakly basic. So it difficultly gives the nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction. To make the reaction more feasible, sodium amide is added. The amide group NH2 minus abstract this hydrogen from here, liberated the ammonia. The negative charge will then develop on this nitrogen, so it will become a powerful nucleophile and it attack on this carbonyl carbon of phosgene to release the HCl molecule, and thus it gives us the formation of this nucleus in which we have a carbonyl chloride group at position number 5, that is on the nitrogen. Now this carbonyl chloride derivative then in the last step reacted with ammonia. The ammonia attack on this carbonyl carbon here on the COCl. So the attack is nucleophilic acyl and the reaction is nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction. The hydrogen of ammonia and the Cl will then removed out as the HCl, and it will give us the formation of our title compound carbamazepine. So dear students, that is all about synthesis of this compound. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.